Hello everyone, Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, down here at the Keller Williams Realty Group main office downtown. Had some meetings and some trainings because you know it's all about Michael becoming the best agent for you and making sure MCV Realty serves our clients with the utmost professionalism and expertise as possible. Kind of want to go through this wall here of some of the reasons why I chose Keller Williams. And I know you're not going to be able to see all these, but I'll make sure to share these as well. But, you know, pretty much these are the credos, and one of the biggest things Keller Williams is, is God, family, then business. And that's the way I like to run my life. So we've got the win-win or no deal. We want to make sure it's a win-win for all parties. We always want to have integrity and do the right thing. We want to make sure customers always come first. It's one of my pet peeves is I always make sure that my agenda is secondary, way behind the client's agenda. It's always got to be on what's good for the client, not what's good for me. I hear a lot of agents say that on conversations, and it kind of really ticks me off that it shouldn't be, well, I need to get this deal closed before the end of the year. Well, what's good for your client? That's what we need to be focused on. You got to have commitment in all things. That's why we're in every day, putting in the work. I'm struggling and a little bit behind today because everybody make sure to pray for Ann. Her and her family are pretty sick. Hopefully they're going to be okay. And got some other clients that are out. Got a seller that's got COVID, out of quarantine on Thursday. So that stuff happens. Make sure to be safe out there. Coronavirus is real. It happens, and you got to take different precautions based on your situations. Communication. This is huge because we want to make sure to seek first to understand, because that's the only way you're truly going to help someone is if you truly understand what they need, what they want, and how to help them get there. Because that's my job as the agent, is to find the solution to whatever problem it is. Success results through people. Equity for all, which I always believe in being fair to everyone getting the same treatment no matter who you are. And trust starts with honesty. You always want to be honest. Teamwork, which my team is so amazing. They do make the dream work, and we're making up for Ann being out. And together, everyone achieves more. And I always say iron sharpens iron. And creativity, ideas before results. You got to come up with ideas, and there's some new ideas we haven't even come up with yet, but we're going to come up with them. And we're always going to be here to help find solutions and resolutions to help you make a move, whether you're buying, selling, investing. Just reach out to us. We'd love to see what we can do to put a plan together to help you. Whether you use us or not, it's on you. But, I'm always happy to help in any way I can. All right, thanks, everyone, and have a great day. Grace and peace. I got to get that fixed there. Oh, yeah.